Hey everyone, this is Todd Hirsch with How HubSpot Works. Today we're going to talk about the new HubSpot landing page template editor. This is the tool that allows you to customize the out-of-the-box templates that HubSpot already provides to make your own landing pages. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and recreate this landing page. This is a landing page example from Unbound. As you can see, it has an image up here in the top right. It's got some headline, a subheader, a sub-subheader, some copy, a form, and a call to action, as well as some social sharing icons down the bottom. So pretty straightforward. Should be a good basic example. Okay, so here we are in the template builder, and we created our own template. It's called Edit Template Example, and as you can see here, here's the different modules. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. If we want to recreate the landing page that we were looking at earlier, we've got a little bit of work to do, but not much. Here's the logo, and so there's a space for a logo there, which is fine. It spans across the page, so I think we're good there. The next one here was section header. This is essentially text, but I think what we want to try to do here is we want to split this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's split the header, section header, and let's make the this new section on the right side we just created, let's make that the image module. So all you do there is you go up, you mouse over the module, and you go to these little square boxes here, switch module type, click on it, and then you see a whole list of different module types. Okay, rich text, one line of text, page footer, logo, image, header, etc. All kinds of good stuff here. So what we want for there is the image. So we'll select an image. Okay, so there it is. And then over here, remember we wanted to create some text there where that H1 copy was. So let's go ahead and make this, instead of section header, let's make this rich text. Okay, do that. So now we have rich text here that's lined up with the image, and rich text that's lined up with the form, and then we've got social sharing at the bottom. So that looks like it might work. Okay, so here we are back in the editor, and you can see now that we have the beginnings of our new landing page layout. You can see right here we've got we have the text box up here, we have an image over on the right, we've got this the next text box over here on the left, and the form on the right side. And okay, so that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and add some text. So let's add some text from this landing page. 10 best practices for website testing and targeting and optimization, and then this blue copy right here. Okay, so I went into the editor here of this rich text module and basically recreated that copy. 10 best practices for website testing, targeting, and optimization, featuring 10 techniques, etc., etc. So I used a rich text module because the WYSIWYG editor that HubSpot has now in the tool is really pretty good. So 10 best practices is a heading 1, and then I increased the font size to 48. And then for the subheader section, I made that heading 3, size 24. And then for this section here, I made that a size 18. And then I made the copy blue, which was what I wanted to do to recreate it. So that's it. So that's it for that section. Looks pretty good. And then you can go over here and you can actually take a look at the preview and see how it looks, how it's starting to look. So not bad. Okay, so now let's look at the image. Let's go ahead and put the image in. Here's what we wanted to make it look like. So a couple of quick points about image management in landing pages in HubSpot. The first one is kind of a best practice in general is create the size of the image that you're going to have in the landing page. Get that size right in the image first, and then it's a little bit easier and it's a little bit more straightforward to work with, rather than trying to manipulate the image size and the positioning of that image in the landing page itself. So let's go ahead and do that. And the other thing that we should probably take a look at is that notice how that the width of this landing page, it's about 2/3 width is the copy, and about 1/3 is the image and the form. So let's go ahead and change that real quick in the landing page template as well. So here we are in the landing page template. You can see here's where the copy is, here's where the image and the form should go. Just take this, see this little divider line here? just click that and drag it over one click. And now it's about what we were talking about when we were looking at that landing page. So it's about 2/3 text and then 1/3 image and form. Okay, so now back into the editor tool, let's go ahead and select that image. We went ahead and created an image that we wanted for that size, which is roughly 350 pixels across. So we're gonna upload that image now, and it's right here. And we're gonna upload it into Hubspot. You can see it's right there. And go ahead and select it, and then click on Use Image. Okay, so there it appears on the right side. So let's go ahead and take a look at that in the editor and just see how it looks. Okay, well, not bad. It's aligning with the form properly. It's a decent size. We can make that a little bit smaller maybe, but that's pretty good.